Welcome to Marbella. Our team specializing in the installation of solar systems in Spain has come to install a 10 kilowatt station. Today we want to tell you about our exciting project, which is taking place right here in this magnificent location. First we unload the equipment, the solar panels, the 10 kilowatts inverter and the 22 kilowatts batteries. We prepare the tools for the job and put up a ladder to climb onto the roof and begin the installation. After careful preparation of the substrate for the panels, our experienced specialists weld together a metal frame. This framework ensures the strength and reliability of the entire system. We paint it to not only protect it from corrosion, but also to give it a stylish look. Then we begin assembling the solar panels themselves. Each panel is installed with maximum precision and at the optimum angle to maximize solar gain. Our specialists work carefully and accurately to ensure that every detail is in its place. Once the panels have been installed, we proceed with the cabling. Our technicians carefully connect the panels to an inverter, which converts the solar energy into electricity. Batteries are installed to store excess energy so that it can be used during periods of lack of sunlight. When all the system components are in place, we carry out a comprehensive setup and check. Our specialists make sure that everything works in sync and optimally. We check the electrical connection, tune the inverter and check the efficiency of the panels and batteries. When the physical installation and wiring is complete, it's time to set up and optimize the system. We make the necessary software adjustments on the inverters to ensure that the solar energy is efficiently converted into electricity. In addition, we set up a monitoring system so that you can monitor and optimize your energy consumption. But our work doesn't just end with installation and configuration. We also teach our customers how to use and monitor the solar thermal system via an app that we install for the customer. Our experts are ready to respond to any questions or problems that may arise and carry out regular maintenance to ensure the system runs smoothly for years to come. We pride ourselves on our professionalism and strive to provide our customers with the best solar energy solutions. Our aim is to help them save money on energy, reduce their environmental impact and contribute to a sustainable future.